Welcome to my first crash course, and in this crash course we'll be looking at the command line interface. You may have heard words being thrown around like terminal, shell, command line, CLI, command prompt. This is just one of the interfaces that you are likely to use as a computer user. My opinion, I would say command line interface, this is the interface which is hidden from complete beginners, because when you're a complete beginner, in most cases you don't even want to pay attention to words that I just mentioned in my introduction. Okay, but this is exactly what I want to teach you, and I'll explain how to use it. I'll demonstrate how you're supposed to use it step by step. Alright, what is this command line interface? Command line interface is simply the interface or an interface which allows you to interact with the computer through text. So you'll be typing commands and you interact with the computer. Unlike the way we interact with the computer, as we talk about this command line interface, you may have already been using the graphical user interface, where you just click on stuff, you click on folders, you open, you move your case around, click on stuff. But this one will be using a black screen just and do everything from there, create folders from there, do massive stuff. The question is, why should you learn the command line interface? One, it is faster than the graphical user interface for many tasks, and some tools and software run only in the CLI. Say CLI, from now onwards, I'm talking about the command line interface. Many security and network tools use CLI. This is meant for complete beginners, and so I'll take you through the command line interface. How do you open the command line interface? Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then just type CMD. CMD simply stands for command. Yes, then you see this command prompt open, then just press enter after you type CMD, and you see this black screen right here. Not fancy, but very interesting. This is the command line interface. We'll be interacting with our system using just this black screen. Imagine you being able to create folders, you being able to check your Wi-Fi password and whatnot using just a black screen. Now, the equivalence of what you've just seen is where you can open Explorer, and I'm going to use the first command to open Explorer from this black screen. So I'll just type start. This is the first command, take note. Just type start Explorer so that we can open something that is equivalent to this part that I've just opened, right? So C, we are starting from C, then users, Mr. Singogo. This is our current directory where we are. Enter. When you look at that C, users, then my name, what is happening is we are in this C drive here. So when I click, we are in the C drive, then users, like so, and I'm sure I can now recognize that we are in this directory here. So when you check, this is where we are from the other side, right? Something that is equivalent to what we just saw is this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, where I will show you more commands to use when it comes to the command line interface. What I've just introduced you to is the terminologies, how you can open it, and just one command